Who's looking to achieve gorgeous, healthy hair? It can be as easy as rinsing your hair with amazing DIY recipes. We've rounded up the best simple natural hair rinse recipes to give your strands a boost of nutrition and shine. Let's get into it. Apple cider vinegar rinse. This one is at the very top of our favorite ones. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It's packed with potassium and vitamins like B and C. It's greatly beneficial for a number of hair types. For oily hair, it reduces a greasy scalp. For color-treated hair, it causes hair cuticles to close up, stopping the color from fading. And for frizzy hair, it helps eliminate flyaways. The acidic nature of apple cider vinegar will help to balance the pH of your scalp and treat infections. The acidity also works in thickening the outer layer of your hair, resulting in smooth, shiny, silky hair, which is less likely to get tangled and break. But if you still find your hair knotted, keep watching to find out which detangler is the best to detangle your hair without causing damage. Okay, back to ACV. Its antimicrobial properties help to purify the scalp, remove excess oil and buildup, get rid of flakiness, itchiness, and dandruff, and hence improves overall scalp health. All these characteristics of apple cider vinegar make it perfect to be used as a hair rinse, and it is so easy to make as well. It needs to be diluted with water. We found the balance of 1 part apple cider vinegar with 4 parts water to work best, meaning for each tablespoon of ACV, add 4 tablespoons of clean water. This hair rinse can act as a leave-in hair treatment as well. Use it 1 to 4 times a month to get desired results. Rosemary rinse. Rosemary is an herb that has a number of benefits for the hair and scalp. It is enriched with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties which help reduce dandruff, excess oil, and buildup from the scalp. It is known to increase blood circulation in the scalp and stimulating hair growth. It is great to improve the overall health and appearance of your hair. This hair rinse is made by brewing 1/4 cup of dried rosemary leaves in 2 cups of water. First, bring the water to boil, then add the rosemary leaves. Reduce the heat and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the pan from the heat and let the mixture cool to room temperature. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove the rosemary leaves. You can leave this hair rinse in for 30 minutes before washing it off or keep it overnight. You can do this 1 to 2 times a week if required. Before we move on to the rest of the hair rinses, smack that like button. Thanks to you, YouTube will share it with more people, helping them all. Tea rinses. Tea rinses are simple to make, easy on the pocket, and loaded with benefits. Black tea. Black tea is great to use as a hair rinse because it contains several beneficial compounds that can help improve the health and appearance of your hair. It's enriched with tannins, which are astringent compounds that can help tighten and tone the hair shaft, giving it a smoother and more youthful appearance. It can also add a temporary stain to your strands and darken them. Black tea also contains antioxidants which can help protect the hair from environmental damage and free radicals. It has a slight acidity that can help balance the pH of your scalp, which can promote healthy hair growth. Additionally, black tea can help improve the texture and shine of your hair, making it look and feel healthier and more radiant. To use black tea as a hair rinse, simply brew a strong cup of black tea. 2 to 5 tea bags of black tea and 2 cups of water has been found to work great. Allow to cool to room temperature. You can leave this in your hair for about 30 minutes or overnight and use it up to 2 times a week. Note that red and auburn hair can use rooibos tea bags instead, while blondes can go for cameline tea. Green tea. Green tea is a miracle drink which can play a vital role in keeping your hair strong and healthy. Green tea is packed with natural catechins whose antioxidants nature suppress the production of DHT, a hormone that can cause hair loss. It also uplifts your mood and reduces stress. It helps to get rid of bacteria and fungus parasites as well. All of these factors contribute to prevent hair loss. Green tea possesses elements like carotenoids, zinc, selenium, and absorbic acid, all of which support the regrowth of hair. It also contains a molecule called ECGC, which encourages hair growth by protecting hair cells from damage, by strengthening hair roots, and by activating the hair follicles. Green tea helps to increase blood circulation in your body and will improve the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to your scalp, which leads to an increase in hair growth. Green tea is rich in nutrients such as vitamin B and C. Vitamin B plays an important role in decreasing hair fall as well as getting rid of split ends. This makes your hair softer, shinier, and lustrous. Vitamin C in green tea protects the scalp and hair from damage by the sun as well. Green tea helps you get rid of scalp dryness, flaky, or oily scalp. Anti-inflammatory characteristics of green tea hydrate your scalp, purify it, and clear it from infections. So it's an amazing solution for a healthy scalp. To make this rinse, place 2 to 5 tea bags of green tea in 2 cups of boiling water. Let it cool down before using it. Leave it in for 30 minutes before rinsing it off. You can do this treatment 2 to 3 times a week for best results. We've talked about all the benefits of green tea in detail and how you can use green tea to get its most benefits for your hair in one of our previous videos, so head on over to that after this one. Want to stay up to date on all the best tips to achieve healthy, lustrous hair? Yeah, we think you need to subscribe and turn on that bell notification. Coffee rinse. Coffee has several properties that may make it a good hair rinse. It can help to add shine to your hair. The caffeine in coffee is known to help stimulate blood flow to your scalp, which may help to promote healthy hair growth. The caffeine can also help prevent hair loss and make your hair look shinier and more vibrant. Coffee can help to darken your hair. If you have light-colored hair and want to add some depth and dimension to it, a coffee rinse may be a good option to darken your hair and give it a more natural-looking color. Coffee can also help to remove buildup from your hair. If you use a lot of products such as hairspray, mousse, or gel, the buildup from these products can make your hair look dull and lifeless. A coffee rinse can help remove this buildup, leaving your hair looking cleaner and healthier. To make this rinse, just brew 2 cups of black coffee and let it cool down. Leave this rinse in for about 20 minutes. You can use it once a week for best results. You're almost ready to use hair rinses. Using hair rinses is quite simple and easy. After you've made your hair rinse, just pour it into a water bottle with a hole in its cap. Detangle your hair before hopping in the shower to ensure the rinse will go through all your strands. You'll love to give TangleGenie a go. It's an amazing detangler with a unique 360-degree bristle design. It detangles your hair gently without pulling, tugging, or falling out. Be sure to give this amazing detangler a try for tangle-free hair and to escape the heavy damage other detangling methods can cause. After your hair is detangled, take your hair rinse and pour it from the water bottle all around your head. Leave it in for the specified time and then rinse it out with lukewarm or cool water. Do you know other interesting DIY hair rinse recipes that have worked wonders for you? Drop it in the comments below so everyone can benefit from it. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel to find more natural hair rinse recipes, which will make your hair shine. Thanks for watching.